Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Blessing. Today we are going to make this dress. If you are interested, keep on watching and let's get. So guys, I've transferred my pattern paper to my corset mesh and I added half an inch all round like so. So guys, I use the skin tooth corset mesh and the black color of corset mesh as well. So I cut out two of the black one and one of the skin tone. So I bring out one of the black corset mesh to attach to the skin tone like so. So you can see I will just take it to my sewing machine and attach it together. So guys, this is it. I have attached it together like so. So the next thing I will be doing is to draw out my lines for my boning. So this is me drawing out my lines for my boning. So guys, after drawing the line, so I will just go ahead to bring out my boning, to measure out my boning. So this is me measuring my boning. I leave about half and 1 inches from the up and 1 inches from the down, so that it will not be shooking. It will not be shooking me. I don't know if you understand. So guys, I've showcased my boning and I have placed my boning on my corset mesh. This is the back. I cut out 2 inches for the 2.5 inches to attach to the corset mesh for my lacing. Okay, because you cannot lace it without this is a crepe material. I use 2.5 inches for the crepe material. I use 2.5 inches there. So now after inserting my boning, I will bring out the other black corset mesh to cover up the boning so that it will be invisible. Okay, so you see I added the other one there. So this is the yoke. This is the yoke. I cut out 2 of it, so I'm going to sew it together. Then I added it to my cup, and this is me adding the back and the front together. So when I'm sewing it, I sew it to the right side. Okay, you know, normally we sew it to the wrong side, but for this case I sew it to the right side. Okay, I join the back and the front to the right side like this. So guys, please, if you are watching this video and you have not subscribed, please hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell for more updates. So you can see I joined together and I've added my cup to it like so. So now for the side, I added my boning to the side as well. So you can see it's neatly finished, and I piping the down part as well. So guys, you can see this corset is very neat. So it's time for me to join in my shoulder. I've joined it, and this is the back. I added my boning to the back. This is it. This is the inside. It's very beautiful. So it's time for me to insert my down part to the upper part. Guys, please, sorry for the rush because this video is so long. So I attach my skirt to the mesh, as into the top. So before I cut it out, I pin the two together. So this is me tracing where I will cut out. Okay, because I want to use a kind of a basque waist. So this is me trying to do draft where I will cut out. So I don't know if you understand. So I am drafting it so that I will cut it well. You can see me cutting it now. So I'll just follow the line that I drew. I just follow it like so. Okay, so this is me cutting. So guys, after cutting, I added half an inch while cutting it. Then I will bring out my needle and thread to tack both the top and the skirt together like so. So guys, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like this video and share. Please don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you will get to see it. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Bye, to see you in my next one.